Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic that is ideal gas equation and absolute temperature. Before it, this is the subtopic of thermal properties of matter. Before it, we have discussed two topics, that is heat and temperature, and the second one was measurement of temperature. In that, we have taken liquid in thermometer. This is our thermometer, and we have taken liquid in it. And for this liquid, we have fixed two points, freezing point and boiling point. But for different liquids, we were getting different freezing and boiling points. Like for mercury, we are having Celsius scale, and for alcohol as a liquid, then we get Fahrenheit scale, in which the freezing point and boiling point was different. So due to the different expansion and compression properties of liquid, we are not getting the fixed point as freezing point and boiling point as we are changing the liquid in our thermometer. But in case of gases, this is not the case. When we create the gas inside the thermometer, then we get the fixed point at low density, and whichsoever is the gas we consider. How it happens? Let's see that when we take a gas inside the liquid inside the thermometer, then we get the fixed point. So we know that ideal gas equation is PV equals to nRT, where n is the number of moles and R is the universal gas constant, whose value is 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin. So from here our PV is equals to P is directly proportional to RT. So if P is directly proportional to T, if we take our volume constant, then P is directly proportional to T. So we can draw our temperature curve with respect to the pressure. Means our temperature is changing with respect to the pressure in case of gases. So assuming this relation, we have plotted this graph of pressure with respect to temperature, and we have taken three gases. This is gas A, gas B and gas C. Now as we keep on decreasing the temperature, the pressure of the gas starts decreasing, and here at 0 degree Celsius we are not getting the zero pressure of gas. Then we extrapolate this straight lines and keep on decreasing our temperature. Here at minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, we get the pressure of all the gases, gas A, gas B and gas C, that is equal to 0, almost equal to 0, and the temperature is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, and this is the start. This is called absolute temperature, and this is the starting of Kelvin scale, and we can term it this value of temperature as 0 Kelvin. So minus 273.15 degrees Celsius is 0 degrees Celsius for all the gases. So whatsoever gas we take inside the thermometer, we have fixed point, that is 0 Kelvin, and this is the now our minus 273.15 degrees Celsius is called absolute temperature and this is the starting of Kelvin scale. In Kelvin scale and Celsius scale, the intervals difference is same. So the relation between temperature and Kelvin scale we can write. So Celsius scale and Kelvin scale we can write, that is T equal to T, temperature in Kelvin equals to temperature in Celsius plus 273.15. This is the temperature in Kelvin. So this was our absolute temperature, that is minus 271 3.15 degrees Celsius, where the value of the pressure becomes zero for any kind of gas at low density. This is the case for ideal gas. It may vary for a little bit in case of our real gases. So this was the topic of our topic for today. Thank you.